Hello friends, this is Vishal. Today we will talk about staying fit through proper diet and exercise. Eating right and exercising is important to stay healthy and in boosting your immune system to fight the virus. Let's talk about indoor exercises first. It is very important to keep exercising now. We all know the benefits of exercising but couldn't do it because of our hectic work schedule or laziness. But now we have a golden opportunity to form a habit of exercising daily. You don't need any gym or classes to exercise. You can exercise at home. Indoor workouts are trending during this lockdown phase. Many are working out in the morning or in the evening and making live video sessions on Facebook, YouTube, or other platforms. Understand your body before doing any kind of exercises. Exercises vary based on age, based on your body structure, and any other physical or medical issues you might have. You can consult your doctor on what kind of exercises are suitable for you and what are not. You can research on your condition online and listen to what experts say on the types of exercises you must follow. If you are lean and want to put up weight, you must increase your diet and perform exercises which are related to increasing muscles, and you must limit cardio related exercises. If you have a bulky figure and want to reduce fats, you must limit your diet and perform exercises which will help you cut down body fat. There are tons of websites and YouTube videos which will guide you. Start exercising immediately. Spend an hour daily to exercise, either in the morning or in the evening. Don't go out. Perform exercises at your home. You don't need any equipment to exercise. You will find a lot of exercise to do without any equipment. Start doing it. Measure your progress on a weekly basis. Don't check your weight daily. When you see results, you will feel the excitement and would feel motivated to keep on going. Now, talking about the diet part of staying healthy, our body is what we eat. If we eat the right food with the right amount, we will never need any doctor. It is an irony that people spend a lot of money on allopathy doctors rather than spending some time with the nutritionist and getting the right diet and improving your body nutrition and immunity to fight every disease coming around you. Exercise alone won't benefit you. You must also consume the right diet. To achieve your health goals, you must keep diet and exercise go running hand in hand. Also, drink a lot of water, 2 to 4 liters per day. Eat a proper breakfast, eat on time, eat salads to improve your digestion. Depending on your body, search for the diet online or consult a nutrition on phone or on the internet and ask them what to eat and what to avoid specifically for your body type. Have proteins and vitamins containing food items and limit fats and carbohydrates. Eat fruits and food items containing fibers. Have a proper balanced diet. Healthy body is very important these days, where the amount of food intake in our country has increased a lot in this century and we consume a lot of sweet and oily food items. Diseases related to heart is one of the primary causes of deaths in India. Keeping our body healthy is the number one priority anyone should have. It is above everything. You can achieve anything in your life only with a healthy body. With lockdown, you have ample amount of time to concentrate on your health and must follow these plans you make for yourself. By the end of the lockdown, you will achieve great results and it will motivate you to continue this schedule even after the lockdown.